Ever gone back to your closet and found your favorite pair of jeans or slacks all wadded up in the middle because a paper clothes hanger broke? Yeah, me too. Makes a nice mess. All of a sudden, you had them in there hanging nice and neat. They looked like they were pressed. Now they got wrinkles all down the middle of the legs. Okay, how about other options? Well, there's the all metal job. Only problem with those is they're just about as bad. And of course, if you just washed your jeans and hang them back up on a metal coat hanger, you're going to have rust stains all over your jeans. The next option, of course, is the all plastic hangers. But as you can see here, they tend to clump up in the middle too. Add that to the fact, of course, they're not much better than the metal about leaving a horizontal crease right across where you hung them. The third option, of course, is this type of hanger, where you've got kind of a clamp arrangement and you hang them longitudinally and they don't bend in the middle. Only problem with this is they break easy and they're not real good at hanging heavy clothes or real thick clothes because you can't open them up that wide. After experiencing all this, I decided to look for a fourth option. Here's what I came up with: half-inch CPVC pipe. Over the length of the hanger, which in this case would be 15 inches, it's more than strong enough not to break with a heavy pair of jeans. A 10-foot piece of it will set you back about $4 at Lowe's or Home Depot and allow you to make 8 hangers. The diameter of the pipe is great enough where you won't have that annoying horizontal seam in your trousers or slacks. To make a hanger, all you do is cut them to length, remove the paper hanger, and with just a little bit of minor bending on the ends of the existing hanger, you can lock the PVC pipe in place in the hanger so no way the pipe will fall out of the hanger. With a little careful measuring, you can take all your all metal hangers and convert them into PVC hangers. And these PVC hangers will stand up to anything you can hang on them, including your heaviest jeans. The only tools you're really going to need, of course, would be a tubing cutter, fairly small would do it, and a pair of lineman's pliers in case you want to bend the metal parts of the hanger so it'll lock the PVC in place. After making a couple dozen of these, my closet looks a whole lot nicer. My clothes don't have any wrinkles. And the only thing I threw away was the paper on the old paper clothes hangers. Thanks for watching. If you're liking what you see, give me a like and consider subscribing. I just might have something else come down here real soon you're going to want to see. This is the engineer. He be gone. Don't let that be you too. See you on the next video.